what I did, I popped a third of a cup of popcorn into this. I will add 1 cup of roasted almonds. You can use any nut that you like. You can do peanuts, pecans, any nut that you wish. Mix them. And let them sit until we do caramel maple butter that we're gonna add into it. We're gonna do it like a Cracker Jacks. Into a pot here, I will add third of a cup of brown sugar. I will also add half a cup of maple syrup. To that, I will add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I cut into small cubes so it can melt easier. Mix and stir until everything has melted. And it will start to boil and foam. You let it cook until it reaches 240 degrees temperature on a candy thermometer. Meanwhile, I'm heating the oven to 300 degrees with a baking sheet in it that is lined with a silpat or parchment paper. If you don't have a candy thermometer, what you can do is fill a little bit water in a bowl and take a drop and drip it inside. If the drop spreads, it means that it's still not there. If the drop stays the same shape, that means that it's at the temperature we need it to be. So I'm almost at the temperature it needs to be. As soon as I reach that temperature, I will add 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. And the baking soda, what makes the Cracker Jacks not stick together and break easier. It makes it brittle. So just tiny bit more. I'm almost there. Let's see now. They spread tiny bit. I'll pour out this and I'm gonna try one more drop, because at this point the sugar burns really fast. You don't want to leave it, not even for a second. Okay, it's holding the shape, so I will turn it off, and at this point I will add the baking soda and salt and tiny bit of vanilla, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, now into this I will add the popcorn and the almonds. Mix. well. Okay, this mixture, I'm gonna spread it out onto the baking sheet that has been heating in a 300-degree oven. With a silpat on. I will taste if I like a little bit more salt into it. Be careful because it might be hot. This is the sheet. I will spread this. Okay. I like tiny bit more sea salt. That's according to each person's taste. I will add that. And I'll pop it back into the oven for 15-20 minutes, checking it every once in a while just to make sure that they are okay. We can rotate the pan in mid-bake. It is out of the oven. I just want to show you how you know that it's ready. After about 20 minutes, 23 minutes it took. If you take a popcorn, it should separate easily from the rest of it. So it's not sticky to the touch, it's dry, and it separates easily, like I said. Okay? Enjoy it, and it's absolutely seasonal and delicious.